Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadian bau Presiden ka Voice of the People Party uba Arden Miller Basayomoit. Ula berngem baka parti kan penlong da kajingya khi pait ba la da ka sorkar kampen bena pait ba ya ka Kaiphod Jong ka Expert Committee on Reservation Policy. U Menteri rang ba ka jalau Conrad ke sangma haka khat khandai tarik unok pra Hajar arpsan ula ong ba kamlong ka basuk ya ka sorkar. Ban shu pelait no marmar syagi pait ba ya ka Kaiphod namar ba kadai ka Kaiphod ka Khia arspa kilogram. Bat ka badon kumbas saw Hajar hadu san Hajar slah. Hakajing ekren bat kilat pathai kubor u Conrad sangma. Ula ong baka sorkar kandang hab ban puli bnia shwa ya ka Kaiphod shwa ban pelait pai ba namar balada baklau watang uwei ukama kala ban penkela ya ka jingmut jong ka jingthok ka badon haka Kaiphod.
It will be made public. As I said, it's a huge, it's 200 kgs of report. That's like 4,000 or 5,000 pages. It is, and one has to go through every single word because even a comma can change the meaning of the report or the meaning of that line. So therefore, it would be wrong for us simply just to say we'll read the conclusion and that's it. It's not like that. It's not so simple. It's huge. As I said, it's a bulk. We had to send a special, vehicle to get the report back because we couldn't bring it in the flight also because it was so big. So as I said, 200 kgs of paperwork. The chief secretary and the other officials had to go through every line, every page, and it was a very, very big task. And of course, they've finished it. They are going to submit it and show it to the cabinet. And of course, as soon as they give it to us, we will be making it public. There's no question of not making it public. This is a matter of great importance to the people, and the people should know what's there in the report. And we will be definitely sharing it. But as I said, you have to be realistic about the fact that that being a sensitive matter, the officials cannot just simply ignore even a single page or even a single word. They had to go through every single bit of it, and that's why it took some time. But they are ready now, so I think very soon we should be making it public.